In this question, you have to choose the option that includes all the correct set of statements. Statement A, lecithin found in plasma membrane is a glycolipid. It is incorrect. Lecithin is a phospholipid. Statement B, saturated fatty acids possess one or more carbon-carbon double bonds. It is incorrect. Saturated fatty acids have no carbon-carbon double bonds, while unsaturated fatty acids possess one or more carbon-carbon double bonds. Statement C, gingerly oil have lower melting point, hence remains as oil in winter. It is correct. This oil is rich in unsaturated fatty acids, which have lower melting points and stay liquid at lower temperature even in winter. Statement D, lipids are generally insoluble in water but soluble in some organic solvents. It is also correct. Lipids are hydrophobic but soluble in organic solvents like chloroform, ether, alcohol. Statement E, when fatty acid is esterified with glycerol, monoglycerides are formed. This is also correct. When one fatty acid is esterified with glycerol, a monoglyceride is formed. If two or three fatty acids are esterified, then di or triglycerides are also formed. Thus, the correct answer is option B. Options A, C, and D are incorrect as these includes incorrect combination.